Hello everyone. In this presentation, we are going to learn course, stretcher course, header course, bed, joints, bed joint, and head joint. After the presentation, you will be able to define the terms course and bed in brick masonry, understand the significance of course, bed, and bed joints. A course is a layer of the same unit running horizontally in a wall. The unit may be brick, stone, concrete, or any other material. Generally, the idea of course or layer is a horizontal member with same unit and bonded together. Here we can see that it is a brick masonry wall and there are four courses. Let's identify one such course. Bed is the mortar upon which a brick is laid. It's a brick masonry made with brick and mortar. In the construction step, we will see how these brick masonries are made. A layer of mortar is spread. Upon this, bricks are laid and these bricks are joined together by mortars. We have completed construction of one layer or course. The next course will be placed above this and it needs to be bonded together. So these two courses will be bonded by bed. Spread another layer of mortar which is known as bed. Place the bricks. Make joints between the bricks. For the next course, again mortar is spread, bed is prepared and bricks are laid. Same procedure is repeated and so on. So here we can see that for constructing number of courses or any course, the first activity is to prepare a bed of mortar. Let's identify the beds in construction step. So we can see that there are number of beds and there is one more bed at the bottom. Joints in brick masonry. There are two types of joints. Bed joint, that is when two courses are bonded together by means of a bed, the joint is referred as bed joint. Here we can see that the two courses are bonded with the help of bed joints. Head joint. When number of bricks or bricks in each course or layer are bonded together by means of mortar joints which are vertical in nature are referred as head joints. So we can see that number of head joints. Stretcher course, a course of bricks or stones that lie with its longest side parallel to the face of the work. In a brick, we know the stretcher side, that is the longest side of the brick is referred as stretcher, and when bricks are arranged in courses such that these stretchers are visible, then it is known as stretcher course. Let's see the construction of a stretcher course. Mortar bed is prepared. Brick as stretchers are laid. Stretcher courses are preferred when thickness of brick wall is limited to half brick. To break the continuity of vertical joints, one header is provided at the beginning in alternate courses. So this is the direction of view, and we can see stretchers are visible. Header course, the course of brickwork in which all the bricks are laid as headers is referred as header course. Three-quarter brick bats are used in alternate courses at the corners to break the continuity of vertical joints. We know that header is the part which reads as 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter in a modular brick. When a course or layer is prepared such that only headers are visible, this is known as header course. For construction of a header course, first a mortar bed is prepared, then bricks are laid as headers. To break the continuity in joint, three-quarter brick bat are placed at the corner. So from these directions, we can see that only headers are visible. So it is termed as header course. At the corner, three-quarter brick bat is used. In this presentation, you learn course, header course and stretcher course, bed, joints, bed joint and head joint. Happy learning!